নমস্কাৰ, ষ্টাডি হাব ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আমি ইতিমধ্যে কৃষ্ণকান্ত সন্দিকৈ ৰাজ্যিক মুক্ত বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলৰ সহায়ক হোৱাকৈ সমূহৰ প্ৰশ্নসমূহ আলোচনা কৰি আছোঁ। এছাইনমেণ্টৰ প্ৰশ্নসমূহৰ উত্তৰসমূহ আমি বহু কষ্টৰে আপোনালোকৰ সুবিধাৰ বাবে প্ৰস্তুত কৰি আছোঁ। লগতে আপোনালোকৰ অনুৰোধ মৰ্মে আমি প্ৰতিটো এছাইনমেণ্টৰ উত্তৰসমূহ দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ। গতিকে আগন্তুক এছাইনমেণ্টসমূহৰ উত্তৰসমূহ পাবৰ বাবে আমাৰ চেনেলটো লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ লগতে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ একেবাৰে নাপাহৰিব। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি অফিচ মেনেজমেণ্ট এছাইনমেণ্টৰ প্ৰথমটো প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ। অফিচ মেনেজমেণ্ট এছাইনমেণ্টৰ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আছিল ডিছকাছ হাউ অফিচ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট ইনফ্লুৱেঞ্চেছ এট ৱৰ্ক। Also discuss the requirement for office furniture for an office. Answer: office environment significantly influences employees' productivity, morale, and overall well-being. A well-designed office space can boost performance, while a poorly designed one can hinder it. Here is how office environment impacts work and requirements for office furniture. Influences of office environment on work: productivity, comfortable sitting, natural light, and adequate ventilation enhance focus and productivity. Morale: aesthetically pleasing decor, open spaces, and collaborative areas foster a positive work atmosphere. Employee health: ergonomic furniture, proper lighting, and air quality reduce eye strain, back pain, and other health issues. Collaboration: open layouts, meeting rooms, and communication spaces encourage teamwork and innovation. Job satisfaction: personalized workspaces, flexible work arrangements, and employee engagement boost job satisfaction. Requirements for office furniture: ergonomics, chair, desks, and workstation should promote comfortable posture and reduce strain. Durability: furniture should withstand heavy use and frequent cleaning. Aesthetics: furniture should complement office decor and reflect company brand. Functionality: furniture should support various work styles such as collaboration, focus, and meetings. Sustainability: environmentally friendly materials, recycling, and energy efficient design. Essential office furniture: workstation, ergonomic chairs, desks, and shelves. Meeting rooms, tables, chairs, whiteboards, and audio-visual equipment. Collaborative spaces, sofas, coffee tables, and standing desks. Reception area, reception desk, chairs, and decor. Break room, tables, chairs, refrigerator, and microwave. Design considerations: natural light, maximize natural light to reduce energy consumption. Acoustics, incorporate sound absorbing materials to minimize distractions. Ventilation, ensure adequate airflow and temperature control, accessibility, design for accessibility and inclusivity, technology integration, incorporate smart technology and USB ports. Best practices: conduct employee surveys, understand employee needs and preference, involve interior designers, expertise in space planning and design, consider company culture, reflect company values and brand priorities, sustainability, eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design, regular clean maintenance and updates. By considering these factors, organizations can create an office environment that supports employee well-being, productivity, and success.